Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop, and I'm looking at the wiring for the Model D Kearney Trecker to see what's going to take to get her going. Now, this came wired 460, so I'm not going to power it with that. I'm going to power it with 240 volt. So obviously we're going to change some things. Overall, it looks really good in here. You can see these are all the motor contactors, and they're way oversized for what's in here. Most of the motors on this machine are half horse. I think the spindle motors are 3/4 horse. So even at 230 volts, these things are rated for 3 horsepower. So that's cool. Everything's nicely numbered. Labels on the wire. This is a very refreshing electrical cabinet. Sticker out the transformer, but it's down there. This one's the only one that looks a little crusty. There was a wasp nest in here, and it looks like they sprayed right there. So we'll see. Now the set, why there's so many contactors in here is this machine has 5 motors. So there's these 4 individuals, and I'm sure this guy is the forward reverse. The spindle is the only one you can forward or reverse on this via that switch right there. So that's going to be all that. It's nice that they're all identical too. The transformers, so we're going to have to change, of course. We'll bring in the wire. The load on these motors at 240 volt will be perfectly fine with the wire sizes that they have in here. I mean, at 240 it pulls 0.96 amps. So we're good. We'll have to change the transformers. There's obviously set up, I can tell right now. From 460 to step down to 120, there's 2 of them. One, I believe, is for the light, and the other one's for the solenoid, for the air, or the coolant or spray mist or whatever. So yeah, I'll get this cleaned up and put a cord to it. I am going to have to, well, let's look in here first. Ooh, we got some original documentation. This was in the door, and unfortunately it's all faded. Some of it's still readable. Let's set that aside. Here's a book for the contactors. There's another book. I think this machine's a late 70s from what I can tell. I cannot find a serial number on it anywhere. See what's in here. Ow, 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 ow. Here's the thing for the heaters. Thing for the disconnect switch. And more heater stuff. So, yeah. So all we really need to do is rewire the 2 transformers. Run power into it. They're 12 amp fuses. And then the irritating part is we're going to have to go to every motor. Sorry about the shakiness from this angle. I have to go to every motor and then wire them change the connection points. And then thankfully, if we get one wrong, and we know what contactor it is, we can swap it here. Not have to go back into the motor. So yeah, very cool. To show you that, what I'm working on, it probably won't be this week. If things go according to plan, there's probably 2 more machines coming in here this week. So I got a spot cleared for this. I need to get it into its spot because one of the machines is going to take up quite a bit of shop to get it in here. Yeah, and then of course when you're messing with all this old stuff, I'll check all the fuses. I'll check everything to ground. before we first fire it up, so we don't have any uh-ohs. You know, continuity check, a whole bunch of stuff. Push the contactors in, check them. Probably pull them and check the points. But yeah, this is very encouraging. Very encouraging. I've certainly seen much worse. So, okay. This is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.